Welding locking pliers are an essential tool for any metalworking professional, providing the firm grip and stability needed to create precise, high-quality welds. Designed with high-strength, heat-resistant materials, these pliers ensure that metal work pieces remain securely in place, preventing unwanted movement during welding, cutting, or grinding. Their adjustable locking mechanism allows for a customized grip, making them suitable for a variety of applications, from securing thin sheets of metal to clamping down on thick steel beams. Unlike standard pliers, welding locking pliers feature specially designed jaws that can withstand intense pressure and extreme temperatures without warping or losing their grip. Whether you're working on delicate automotive repairs, heavy-duty industrial fabrications, or intricate metal sculptures, these pliers give you the confidence to focus on your craft without worrying about shifting materials. The ergonomic handles provide superior comfort and control, reducing hand fatigue during long welding sessions while ensuring that you can make precise adjustments with ease. Beyond their exceptional holding power, welding locking pliers offer versatility and efficiency that make them a staple in any welder's toolbox. Many models come with swivel pads or C-clamp designs, allowing for even pressure distribution across irregular surfaces and preventing damage to delicate materials. Quick-release levers enable fast and effortless disengagement, saving valuable time during repetitive clamping tasks. Their durable, corrosion-resistant construction ensures long-lasting performance even in the harshest workshop environments, resisting rust and wear from exposure to heat, moisture, and metal debris. Whether used in professional welding shops, automotive garages, or home workshops, these pliers are an indispensable tool for improving work accuracy and safety. With their rugged durability, precise locking mechanisms, and user-friendly designs, welding locking pliers are the go-to choice for anyone who demands reliability and precision in their metalworking projects.